Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on HDMI Device Link, and this will allow you to turn on or off your PlayStation 5 Pro with your TV. So this is simple. On the home screen here, let's just go up to top to Settings, and then scroll on down to where it says System. Now under here, go to HDMI, and then go to the right, and here's HDMI Device Link. And we have a couple different options on here. The first one is Enable One Touch Play. If you turn on your PS5, the connected device will also turn on and switch its input to the PS5. So turn on my PS5, it switches to the input and my TV is turned on. And then we have Enable Power Off Link. If you turn off the device connected to your TV, you turn off your TV, your PlayStation 5 will enter rest mode. So just go ahead and turn this off or on and you should be good to go. Now, if you're experiencing issues where just your connected device automatically just turns off and you didn't want it to, try disabling Power Off Link, and that should fix your issue in the future. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.